Hello everyone. Okay, for today video, I want to show you how to insert your own title block in AutoCAD. Okay, first step. Okay, the first tutorial I already discussed how to save and to create your own title block. Okay, for today's tutorial, I want to show you how to insert or import your own title block in your layout. Okay, first step, you need to have your model drawing, any type of your drawing at the model. Then you need to go, second step, what you want to do is to go to layout. Basically, the normal view for layout, if you will appear like this. The drawing will appear like this. Okay, what you want to do first step is to delete the current view. Okay, and then second, what you want to setting is a margin of the page. Okay, margin of the page, a printer margin lah actually. You just go to layout and then right click, go to the page setup manager, and then you can select which one layout you want to use. For example, I want to edit layout number 1. You click number 1 and then you click modify. First step, what you want to do is to select your printer. For example, just to convert drawing into PDF. That enough. Okay, you just select DWG, DWG, DWG to PDF PC3. Actually, okay, you just select, and then second, you need to select the size of the paper. You just, and then you try to find ISO expand. If you select ISO expand 220 times 297 is for the paper portrait, but today we need to use a paper type is landscape. Therefore, you need to select ISO expand A4 297 times 210. Okay, and then plot area you need to select is layout. Okay, and then you click OK, and then you close. Now your margin already changed because actually, okay, the dash line is a printer margin. You need to fit your title block inside the dash line, not outside the dash line. If you are outside, actually, your printer cannot be shown the outside of this one is actually present is paper, and then the dash line is printer margin. Basically, any type of printer have a margin setting. Okay, what you want to do now is to insert your own title block. You go to insert, and then you click insert, and then you try to find which location you saved before that. You already create your own title block. Okay, I already create. I just select title block and then click OK. Then you click OK. Redefine. Okay. Okay, make sure your title block inside. For example, I put outside the dash line. Okay, like this. I put, and then okay outside. You see outside and certain inside. Okay, now we try to preview. Okay, you go to print and then preview. Go to print and then you try to preview. Okay, click OK. You see your title block got problem because outside from the printer margin. Therefore, you need to setting your title block inside the printer margin. Okay, how you want to change now? Okay, I want to show you how I want to change. Okay, more easy. First, you select all the title block, and then you only click move. Okay, you use endpoint of the title block. You click here. Which area you want to move? Okay, for example, I want to move inside like this. Okay, inside this side, inside. You make sure all the edge of the title block inside the printer margin. This one inside, no problem. And then here you see also inside. Okay, no problem. At the top side, still inside. Maybe if you want to scale up your title block size, what you want to do, okay, I want to show if you want to scale down until fit to your margin like this. Okay, try. Okay, doctor. Okay, now ready fit. Okay, now how you want to insert your view, your model view inside your title block? Maybe have a grid like this, and then you want to insert into this layout. Okay, you just click command M view, and then you enter. Then you need to select the edge. Maybe you want to only half of this drawing. You just click here to here. But now you see your view is small. If you want to fit to all your inside your title block, okay, I delete first. Okay, uh, you write down back M view. You want to fit area of the title block. Okay, you just select this first edge and second edge. Okay, but okay, how you want to remove your grid? Okay, first step, if you want to remove your grid, you need to double click until this view active. If you the view active, it show here have a compass lah. And see, okay. Okay, and then you just click F7, F7, or you go back to model, and then you turn off grid, and then what you will show? Okay, you click F7. Okay, the shortcut lah more easy. You use the shortcut. Okay, now the last step. Last step, you want to edit detail inside your title block. You just double click on title block. Okay, and then we pop up the edit block definition. You just click OK. Then we pop up a new tab, and then you double click only. Okay, for example, draw by Ashraf, check by Haziq, approved by, for example, Fatih. Okay, scale 1 to 1 or 1 to 2. For example, if you're drawing 1 to 2, you need to mention okay, title drawing name, for example, plate. For example okay, drawing number 20121313. Just I put, and then this one already outside the okay, sheet number 1 of 3. For example, have the drawing for this one drawing. Okay, and then if you want to change the note also can, you just double click, and then what you want to put inside the note. Okay, and then if you want to go back into your layout view, you just click close block editor, and then we show you want to save. Yes, correct, you want to save. Okay, now already change. Okay, now what I want to show you, the last step, you try to print. Okay, now print. You print, and then you click OK. Save. Yes, want to replace. Okay, now you can see your title block already fit into the paper. Very easy. Okay. Okay, now we need you to try your own your assignment ready even before that. Okay, thank you everyone.